Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Glenn with A Perfect Yacht, Marine Services. This was a portion of the processes and fabrication that occurred in October. The owner wanted new style pedestal seats. I sketched up an idea to help me clarify the parts that I needed to fabricate. The placement of the pedestal for the two forward seats had little or no load-bearing qualities. A proper structure was needed to accept the loads, especially in a choppy sea state. It just so happens that the spacing of the ribs did not accommodate a strong foundation. I fabricated new places and pieces to handle the load. I routed out the tops of the ribs to accept a panel. The panel would be bolted into the ribs. However, the span between the ribs was also too flexible. I made a vertical support to accept the load exactly under the pedestal base. The pedestal bolts into essentially three layers of plywood. They were clamped together with an epoxy to make a strong structural base and rest directly over the top of the vertical support. The interior portion of the hull in this area was varnished, and here is what the cockpit floor now looks like with the modifications. Thanks for watching. Have a super day. Call me for all your yachting and marine repair needs. Signing off, Captain Glenn.